So in this video, you'll learn how to install Apple Music on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to open the Google Play Store. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Apple Music. And then search. You should see it listed here in the search results. So just tap on it to view the app details, ensure that it's by Apple. And then all you need to do is simply select install and wait for Apple Music to be downloaded onto your A36. Once it's been downloaded, tap on open to launch it. Then from here, you just need to sign in with your details after you agree to the terms of service and the user policy. So now sign in and start listening to Apple Music on your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.